I'm going to go over these AUXITO LED headlights. This right here is a HB3 and an HB4 because my van requires both a high beam and low beam. They're great for high brightness, long lifespan, plug and play. You know what? Even some off-road action. And here's a little bit of the specifications on these things. They're a DC 12 to 18 volt, the IP68, so they're pretty much waterproof. LED source, 6,500 K color temperature, -40 up to plus 176 degrees. Well, you know what? If you're getting that hot, you might have more worries than headlights. But the it's got 50,000 hours of runtime on these things. And check this out. They give you the little white glove treatments. And the reason you want to wear gloves, even if you don't wear these gloves, is because with these LEDs, you don't want to get the finger oils on the actual like LED lights themselves right there. Now here, mine came in the HB3 there, and here's the HB. So they did them over here, HB4 over here and HB3 over here. So what I'm gonna do is go over here to my van, take out the old ones. Actually, I'll do one side, take out one side and leave the old ones in there, which are the older halogen lights. Then we'll do a comparison tonight when it gets dark out. We'll see actually how much of a difference these LEDs make. So let's go ahead and let's install them. Let's check it out. Okay, so let's go over here and I'll show you where my headlights are. Very easy to access. One's right there, one's right here. Now, obviously every car is gonna be different. This is a Toyota van. How easy these headlights are to get out. Look at that, I already have it out right there. All I do is unplug it and then plug the other one in. And I think this is the HB4 right here. So let me go ahead, unplug these, put them in there, then I'll show you what these things look like. So this is the older halogen lights that came on the vehicle right here. You could see the difference. The actual design looks fairly similar, so I don't see any issues with this setting in here. AUXITO did a good job on that. These actually have a cooling fan built into them. How neat is that? And you see the actual connectors there. It looks like it has a little better connection on it. Let me back up some. You can see over there the LED and the halogen right there. Go ahead and put it on dim. You see the dim on each side. These are very low when it's on dim. Now let's see what they look like in the dark. Okay, it's officially nighttime, as you can see. So now let's go ahead and let's try out these new headlights here. Let's go up here to front and look at the difference. Left side is the LED lights. Right side is the halogen lights. There is a drastic difference in these light quality. It's just, I don't know, it's something about having an LED. They're just so much brighter when you look at the difference in the side on the fence here. And it gives you a longer range on these things. They have a longer range and it'll illuminate the area, especially road signs and things like that. It'll really pop them up. Let me put them on the low beam. That's the high beam. Here's the low beam. You can see the difference from the front right there. Let's get down level with them. Wow, those are so bright. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any issues with these things at all. This is what I'm going to be running here going forward on all of my vehicles. This is the Toyota, and it seems to work perfect on this one. So yeah, everybody, I recommend these AUXITO LED lights. See you on the next video.